science is lighting one lamp from the other. None of the scientists are gods. Everybody finds it very different when listens that 2266 years old Archimedes' principle, 331 years old Newton's laws and 111 years old Einstein's E is equal to mc square are updated or modified. But it is true that Ajay Sharma's newer versions of the laws have been published in peer-reviewed journals and conferences, magazines and books. It leads to scientific authenticity. Ajay Sharma never calls established laws wrong, but on the basis of deep analysis, he points out laws are inadequate or incomplete in some cases. Ajay Sharma, working on the fundamental laws since past 34 years, points out that thousands and hundreds years ago, the mathematical, experimental and technological status was bare minimum comparatively. Thus, in today's context, scientific precision is maximum as in Large Hadron Collider, motion to Mars, internet, supercomputers. Thus, the laws need to be updated. Ajay Sharma is author of 2 books, Beyond Newton and Archimedes and Beyond Einstein and E is equal to mc square, published from Cambridge, England. He has published 55 papers in peer-reviewed publications and has been invited to nearly 100 international conferences all over the world. Sharma had presented his papers in America, England, Russia, Germany, etc. etc. About second law of motion. The second law of motion, F is equal to ma, as taught all over the world, was never given by Newton. In Newton's time, acceleration A was not defined, so it was impossible for Newton to write F is equal to ma, that is, force is equal to mass into acceleration. The equation force is equal to mass into acceleration was given by Swiss scientist Leonhard Euler in 1775, that is 48 years after death of Newton. It can be confirmed from website of Mathematical Association of America, Washington, Euler's paper E479, page 223. Here, F is equal to ma is clearly given. Then scientists misinterpreted some terms and gave credit of Euler's F is equal to ma to Newton. Newton's own second law of motion given in the Principia at page 19 to 20, F is equal to V minus U, is completely ignored by scientists as it does not exist. It must be noted that Newton, the president of Royal Society, London, belonged to England, whereas Euler did research in Switzerland, Germany and Russia and was blind for last 17th year of life. Sir, you are saying that Newton's second law of motion, that is, force is equal to mass into acceleration, or F is equal to ma, had not been given by Newton, whereas 7.29 billion people confirm that it was given by Newton.
I am 100% correct in my statement that Newton did not discover second law of motion, F is equal to ma, or force is equal to mass into acceleration, taught all over the world. In Newton's time, acceleration A was not defined. Hence, it was impossible for Newton to write equation F is equal to ma, or force is equal to mass into acceleration. In fact, F is equal to ma was given by Swiss scientist Leonhard Euler in 1775, that is 48 years after death of Newton. Well, Newton had given a different form of second law of motion in the Principia at page numbers 19 to 20 as force is equal to V minus U equal to change in velocity. Also, the equation F is equal to ma, which is taught as Newton's second law of motion all over the world, was discovered by Swiss scientist Leonhard Euler. Now, scientists are giving credit to Newton for equation F is equal to ma, which he did not discover, actually discovered by Euler. It is unscientific. Newton never wrote F is equal to ma, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration, in any of his works.
When did Swiss scientist Leonhard Euler discover F is equal to ma, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration? What is the proof?
The equation force is equal to mass into acceleration was discovered by Euler in 1775, that is 48 years after death of Newton. For concrete proofs, see website of Mathematical Association of America, Washington, USA. Paper index number is E479. Page number is 223. Euler's this paper is still in Latin. What it can be seen that Euler has given exactly equation F is equal to ma. In Newton's time, the acceleration a was not defined. Hence, it was impossible for him to give equation involving acceleration, that is F is equal to ma, or force is equal to mass into acceleration.
How the credit of discovery of Swiss Leonhard Euler is being given to Newton?
It is the mistake in scientific history. Euler should be given credit to discovery of F is equal to ma, and Newton should be given credit of discovery of F is equal to V minus U. This equation Newton has given in his masterpiece, the Principia, at page number 19 and 20. The answer to the question can be found in the existing literature. Incidentally, Newton belonged to nation which ruled 1/4 land area of world, and Euler taught and did research in Switzerland, Germany, Russia. Unfortunately, in the last 17 years of his life, Euler was completely blind.
How scientists are interpreting that Euler's equation F is equal to ma as Newton's second law of motion?
The reason is that Newton never gave any equation in the Principia for second law of motion, for third law of motion, even for universal law of gravitation. That was beginning of new science in 17th century, and it was not mandatory to give equations and interpret phenomena quantitatively at that time, as Newton did not give any equation for his second law of motion. So scientists are interpreting the statement in the way they wish, and this explanation is not correct. Both Newton's and Euler's law involve force in left hand sides. This is only similarity between two equations. The scientists are also comparing the right hand sides of both equations, which is arbitrary and illogical. Consequently, some terms have been misinterpreted to draw desired conclusions. This is core issue of my discussion.
What are main technical terms which are misinterpreted by scientists to regard Euler's equation F is equal to ma as Newton's second law of motion?
First misinterpretation or misconception: the term motion is regarded as quantity of motion,
Okay.
momentum, which is completely illogical. Motion means velocity in the Principia, and momentum is product of mass and velocity. Second misinterpretation or misconception is that scientists regard change in motion as rate of change of momentum. These comparisons are unscientific and illogically. Scientists regard Euler's F is equal to ma, Newton's second law of motion, which is actually not the case.
Okay. What is the opinion of scientific community about your work?
My paper is published in peer-reviewed International Journal of Research devoted to fundamental laws of physics called Physics Essays. The journal is indexed, abstracted, and thus internationally recognized. In addition to this, I have presented the paper in international conference, the Euler Society Conference 2014 in Texas in USA, and scientists have found my work logical and valid. Apart from this issue I have discussed at length in my book Beyond Newton and Archimedes, published from Cambridge, England. Thus, my work can be introduced in textbooks right from the school level.
How Government of India is helping you in this regard?
I met Honorable Science and Technology Minister Dr. Harshvardhan in June 2015 and stated the facts. He gave due attention to my words and work and sent my books to Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to Professor Ashutosh Sharma. Now my both books, Beyond Newton and Archimedes, Beyond Einstein and E is equal to mc square, are under evaluation. Also, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, too have written to Department of Science and Technology that this work should be impartially evaluated. I am thankful to all.
How do you sum up the Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma?
The Newton's second law of motion, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration, was never given by Newton. The first reason is that in Newton's time the term acceleration was not defined, hence it was impossible for Newton to write F is equal to mass into acceleration, because acceleration was not defined at that time. However, in the Principia, Newton has given a different equation or definition for second law of motion, that F is equal to V minus U. Unfortunately, the Principia's second law of motion, F is equal to V minus U, is completely ignored by the scientists as it does not exist. Now, F is equal to ma, or what we call second law of motion, was given by Swiss scientist Leonhard Euler in 1775, that is 48 years after death of Newton. It can be readily checked from the website of Mathematical Association of America. Paper number is E479, page number is 223, and there is absolutely no doubt about it. So credit of discovery of F is equal to ma should be given to Newton, or it would be difficult for coming generations to differentiate between science and superstitions.